All right, last video of the day. Shout out from everybody. This is Rippa Mike from our Boyd, Texas, RippaUSA.RippaUSASales.com dealership. I want to talk about pin height. So there's a lot of people that ask, well, how high can this machine dump? So really what it comes down to is nothing matters other than that right there. That's the pin. This bucket with all of the whatever, it rotates on that pin, and then of course there's that one over there, okay? So I'll start the machine up and show you what I'm talking about, but this is the Rippa RS06 mini skid steer, Kubota engine, D1105, it rocks. But it's lifted all the way up. So when I rotate the bucket down, as you'll see right here, it's going down, right? So now it's all the way up. So now when I curl that bucket up, or when I curl it down, that pin position height does not change, right? So none of that matters. So how high you can dump is that right there, less the angle of this bucket. So let's say you've got a dump trailer and you want to dump the material into it. So really it's that height minus maybe a couple inches here for you to get it over the trailer wall and then dump it. Okay, so let me run over here and grab my tape measure, because of course I would put it on the wrong mini skid steer. And I apologize about the camera moving around. But you can see you're about 85 inches, right? See, all the way down. Less a couple inches here. So that's really what you're looking at when you want to figure out how high you can do this. Now, Rippa has something with an extended bucket. It's got a little longer arms up here where you can get another 1.5 or 2 feet. I actually forgot what it was called, but I'll put it in the comments down below. But anyway, post up if you got any comments, like, subscribe, do all that stuff. Take care. Have a good evening. Bye.